It's not my fault.
Hey girl, make sure you subscribe here to my channel and then click on that bell notification so you're notified every time I post another video. This video sponsor is Kiss Lily, and they sent me this beautiful girl ginger highlight body wave wig. Honey, listen, it is awesome sauce, but we'll get into that in a minute. They gave me some free little gifts, you know, it was cool, and they actually gave me like a brown wig cap, okay, a brown one, and you know, a rat tail comb. But let's get into this wig though, this custom colored wig. Look at how the inside is constructed. Oh my goodness. And this lace is not one of those really bright laces. It actually was very easy to blend into my skin. Okay, so I want you guys to know that all of the information, sizing and all of that can be found in the description box below. So make sure that if you want to know my exact wig size and all of that jazz, then make sure again you check the links in the description box. Right now I am using some foam wrap from a Main Choice. Hey Keisha girl, now I am really in love with this foam wrap because it really sets hair. I'm gonna have a video, you know, coming really soon with it on my natural hair, but after I put the foam wrap on there, let it dry under the dryer, it took about 35 minutes. Now, instead of using my pressing comb, which I cannot find, by the way, I am just going ahead and using this focuser on the blow dryer and a little round brush for tension. And this is super duper easy to do. As you can see, the lace is rather, you know, on the transparent side. Okay, it was very easy to blend. As you can see, like looking right here, you can barely see the lace even right now. Yeah, was really easy to style, and the density is 180%. all right, so you guys know me, I'm not one of those crazy pluckers, and I like to show you things and then come back and play with wigs over time. All right, so they came with adjustable straps, but my head is actually kind of little, so I didn't need them, but the straps were good. So right now I just want you guys to watch me, you know, play with this and do a little bit of plucking and stuff. I did curl the hair already, but now I'm just gonna go in here, style it, make it look a little thinner, but I am not melting lace. In this video I want to show you how to create some bodyful beautiful layers. All right, and what you're gonna see after this part is me slide cutting. Slide cutting is a very great way to create layers in your wigs. Do not do this on your real hair if you don't know what you're doing, but on your wigs it's a really easy way for you to create those face framing layers. All right, so stick around. Again, check the links in the description box below for all of the information on this wig, and let's get into the rest of it.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. but baby, it's you. Lying like a ride, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. And I would never, yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your piece, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a ride, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. Your parade, shine, you can't chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day, so I never saw your face. Please, what do I have to do to make you? It's you, it's you, it's you, it's you, walk out that door, no, yeah, when I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. When I get you back, oh yeah. I promise you'll never leave me. When it comes to you and me, there's no one else I'd rather be